still having a hard time speaking English? In this video, I'm going to tell you 3 reasons why. One of these, if not all, is most likely your reason.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Nay. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time and you will find this video helpful, please consider subscribing because the goal of this channel is to help you speak English fluently, naturally, and confidently. The first reason why you still can't speak English up until now is you don't practice enough. There is no shortcut to speaking English. If you want to speak English, you need to practice. The more you practice, the more you get better. There's just no going around it. You need to find time on your schedule to spend on your English learning. No free time is no excuse. We all have free time. Reduce the time you spend on Facebook and other social media or playing mobile games. We get hooked to those things because they are more entertaining than learning English. Make your learning entertaining. Be creative. Experiment. It's your room, it's your rules. I have a little confession. When I was learning English, I was a Facebook addict. I still am learning English and a Facebook addict. I couldn't stay off of Facebook, so I blended the two. I learned English while on Facebook. I joined Facebook groups on learning English. I liked Facebook pages that teach English. That way, when I scroll through my feeds, I see those English learning posts as well. So practice, practice, practice. Practice does not make us perfect. There will never be perfect English. Practice makes us better. The second reason why you still can't speak English is you don't know how to practice and what to practice. You spend a lot of time learning English. You seem to have read every book about the English language. Yet, you still can't see any progress. Seems like all of your effort is just beating the air. Nothing happens. You still run out of words and sentences when you try to converse in English. Maybe you are getting frustrated and tired at this moment. There are actually 2 major divisions in English: written and spoken English. Lack of understanding about these 2 could ruin your ability to speak English fluently. If you want to learn more about it, watch this video up here. Reading does not make us speak English. Babies don't read and then speak. They speak first before they can read. With that being said, you need to practice like a baby. What does a baby do? They listen and imitate. They listen and imitate all the time. Listen to a lot of English and imitate as much as you can. That way, you practice your listening skills, which is very vital to speaking, as well as train your vocal system, including your tongue and jaw, to speaking English so that the language will just flow naturally out of your mouth as time goes by. Another excellent way to practice is listening to podcasts where at least 2 people are talking. This is the best way you can learn conversational English. You need to be careful though who you listen to and imitate, because eventually you are going to sound like them before you can bring out your own style of speaking. The third and final reason why you still can't speak English is you don't put your learning into action. You need to go out there and apply what you've learned. You might actually have a very good command of the English language, but you just don't bring it out. It's gonna rust and rot. You need to actually use it. Stop being shy, don't be afraid to make mistakes and be judged. Take them and learn from them. You need to be tough emotionally. Use your English in every opportunity that you have. You can also practice your English with people you don't know online. When you're outside, greet a foreigner, talk to them. That's what I did and still do. Native English speakers are the best evaluators. Most of them will appreciate your English, and that's gonna add to your confidence. If you can't find a person to talk to yourself. Make up a situation in your mind and start to have a conversation with yourself. It is advisable that you do this when nobody is watching you. Know what I mean? That's it. Those are the 3 possible reasons why you seem to still struggle to speak English. Thank you for staying with me till the end. You all have a good one. Susunod na pod. Daghang salamat.